Welcome back to La Vida Mora, Puerto Rico. Funny thing is, I have tried, or I had this intention of doing this beach vlog because I wanted to show you a little bit of the routine that I do, and it's just when I am able to go at the time that I'm able to go to the beach, the weather has not been permitting. It just hasn't been working in my favor, and that's okay. It just was not meant to be for that time. So we will do something else that I actually wanted to show you that I think is fun. Maybe you would think it's kind of dirty, but I mean, even whatever, everything goes into the ground, and from the ground is what grows our food. So we're consuming all things in some way. I don't think that people need to be so grossed out and so cringe about this beautiful way that nature flows and makes its way into all that we do. On the contrary, I think it's important to be exposed to it as much as possible. So I'm not going to go on a big rant about that. I just want to show you what it is that I like to do. And I do this with water that we collect from the spring, from the montañas, from the mountains. I would never do this with faucet water. Rainwater is another good option. Look at my plants, how beautiful. Just plant appreciation moments. I love these leaves because they look like butterflies, like butterfly wings. So what I am looking for specifically now is a place to dig up about 2 cups of soil in an area that no cars are passing over and that we're really not even stepping on or dragging things over. We want to have like the most clean or clear of exposed elements as possible. It's not going to be perfect, but there are plenty of little areas here where I can get a good spot of soil that is pretty much almost like untouched, or you can just take the top layer off and just go in deeper. But our soil is like clay. It is very hard to shovel, but I'm going to take advantage because we just had 2 days of rain, and although it is not softened, it still has a little bit more of a cushion to get some soil. I'm gonna try our best. Want to first just get this top layer off. Clear the top layer. How hard is clean? It's really hard to get through. Yeah, nice smooth soil. I want to get a little bit deeper. I want to get it as fresh as possible. Have enough. This only takes 3 minutes. There's really no excuse. Super easy, basic labor. Like a mud bath. Oh. I'm doing it. See? I did do it. I'm gonna mix it in the bowl, and then we're gonna get all the little particles out. Si puede, búscame un bowl bien grande. Yo vi una en el home studio, creo. So now we have this beautiful blessing here. We're going to strain it to get out any particles or worms or creatures that might be in there. You're ready. With this sweat on my eyes. So we can sift the particles out of this, like you were baking a cake. My daughter watched the bowl. Okay, here, I'll hold this, or you want to hold this? You want to hold? If you put your fingers and make pressure, ya, así mismo. Pero aquí, encima del bowl. No te preocupes si te ensucia. Like this. So pressure. Muy bien. Let's pause it because this is gonna take long, and then we'll look at this, how nice and soft. It's like powder. And look at this. Can you hold it? Tilt it. This is like what we're trying to avoid.
Makes it cold.
The wrapper now. See? Oh, it's easier with your fingers.
Easy with the rock.
Okay, now we are going to add the spring water. A little bit.
Can we go inside it?
Put some intention into this, some words, sort of like a prayer. I wish you guys can smell this. Look at the way my fingers look already. Now this is relatively, sorry, I have one hand and my other hand's full of mud. This is relatively easy. The part that takes the longest is the sifting of the soil. Okay guys, so we are ready.
Mud.
It's the consistency that it is.
I need that.
It's thin enough to smear, but thick enough to stick, that it's not just going to slip right off when you put it on you. Oh, it's so good. It gets in my hair. I am wearing, this will stain, so I'm wearing a bathing suit that's sort of like damaged, but I don't mind staining it because it doesn't really work. It's broken.
I'm having a shower. I'm having a wet shower.
It really does feel so good. Now we are going to dry. Here's the cheese. Can I do a design on you? Come.
Okay, the Indian makeup.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have 2 lines on the cake. No.
Look this way. Look this way. Okay. We're going to pause this and I'm going to rinse my hands and we're going to stay in the sun to dry. See if I can pause this. I'm getting my fingers dirty. I mean, without getting the phone dirty. It's already drying and you feel like you can barely move. We're getting my son now. JJ's coming to participate. Ethan's gonna do it for him. Ethan and my daughter.
Chicos. Now you're gonna have to hold my candle now.
Cuidado con los ojos. It's hard, right? My lips are hard.
I'm just staring at me.
That was that. Thank you so much for watching. Besitos. I will see you in the next vlog. We will be back here on Fridays. I think I like uploading on Friday mornings. We got a little out of the flow, but we will get back to it this week. So there will be another vlog on Friday. So stay tuned. Oh, there will be some more content this Friday. Everything, my best intentions of being mindful, of doing things with purpose and reason, and not just for the heck of it. Let me know your honest thoughts about this vlog.